Hi everyone, myself Dinesh. I am working as assistant professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering from SNS College of Technology. And today we are going to see the topic data analytics in manufacturing engineering. Okay, before going into the topics, we have to understand what this topic means, right? First, let's see what is manufacturing engineering. Okay, so in manufacturing there are uh, n number of process like if, for example, if we want to design a pen, okay, if we want to produce a pen, first we have to make it as a drawing. Okay, that means we have to design the pen by using some means, by the means of paper and pencil, or by the use of any CAD software or anything like that. The first thing we have to do is we have to design the pen. Okay, the second process is we have to plan it. Okay, so what material we are going to use for the pen, and how much temperature it has to be withstand. Okay, so these are the second process. The first one is designing, second one is planning, and the third one is operating. Okay, by which means of process we use to manufacturing a pen, maybe by using a conventional or unconventional machining process. Okay, so after that we will go for manufacturing the pen, and this is how a raw material is converted into a product. Okay, so there is another main thing we have to focus in manufacturing engineering is to give high quality of product to our customers, and also we have to reduce the wastages, and also we have to reduce the overall price of the product. Okay, so these are the main thing which we focus on manufacturing engineering. Okay, now I think you got a clear idea about what is manufacturing engineering. Okay, so now let's come to the first part of the data, which is data analytics. Okay, so we know what is data, right? So for simple, data means it's a type of thing which contain information. Okay, any information we gather, we can call it as a data. Okay, so there are several forms of data which we know that, like text, like pictures, like a video, like a sound, a music, a code, or whatever it may be, we can consider it as a data. Okay, so by collecting all those data, we collect the in manufacturing engineering, we have done lot of product by the means, so we collect all those past data and we analyze it. Okay, so by analyzing it, we can improve the quality of the product. At the same time, we can reduce the wastage, and also we can reduce the cost. Okay, so that is why this topic is very much important, which we call it as data analytics in manufacturing engineering. Okay, and there is a difference between data analytics and data analysis. Okay, which we have to consider it. Okay, so what do you mean by data analytics, and what do you mean by data analysis? Okay, so data analysis is a part where we deal on past. Okay, so for example, if there is been an accident, the police will come and he will investigate. Okay, so what he does is he will analyze the data. Okay, that's not analytics, because by using the past data he will find out what has happened. Okay, that is what we call it as data analysis. Okay, so data analytics is by the means of collecting all those data and analyzing it, then we predict the future. Okay, so for example, a simple example is stock market. Okay, there are certain apps which predict the stock market, and also in news, everyday news, we are seeing the weather report. So these are data analytics. Okay, so by means of data analytics, where we are, as an engineer, we implement it in manufacturing engineering to improve the quality of the overall product and also reduce the cost and wastage of the product. Okay, so this is what we call it as data analytics in manufacturing engineering. Thank you.